Imagine ordering your dream home from a catalogue. That's exactly what Sears Roebuck and Company offered with their revolutionary Sears Kit homes. From 1908 to 1942, these homes, also known as Sears Modern Homes, provided an affordable and accessible path to home ownership for many Americans. The idea was simple. Order a house from the Sears catalogue and it would arrive at your local train station ready to be assembled. These weren't flimsy shacks either. Sears Kit homes were designed to be sturdy, stylish and built to last. They came in a variety of architectural styles to suit different tastes, from charming bungalows to stately Victorians. The appeal was undeniable. A well-built home at a fraction of the cost of traditional construction. The impact of these homes on American housing cannot be overstated. For many families, especially those moving from rural areas to the burgeoning cities, a Sears Kit home represented the fulfillment of the American dream. The early 20th century was a time of great change and progress in America. The Industrial Revolution was in full swing, and with it came new technologies and innovations that touched every aspect of life, including housing. Sears, already a household name for its mail-order merchandise, recognized the growing demand for affordable housing and seized the opportunity. The timing was perfect. The expansion of the railroad network made it possible to ship these pre-cut homes to virtually every corner of the country. The rise of the middle class meant that more and more families were aspiring for home ownership, and Sears Kit homes provided them with a realistic and achievable way to achieve that dream. The popularity of these homes soared. By 1915, Sears offered an impressive selection of around 370 different home models in its catalogue. The homes were remarkably affordable, with prices starting as low as $650 in 1908, which is roughly equivalent to $22,000 today. The process of buying and building a Sears Kit home was surprisingly straightforward. Customers could browse the extensive Sears catalogue, which showcased detailed illustrations and floor plans of each home model. Once they found a design that matched their needs and budget, they could place an order. The kit would then be shipped by rail, arriving in a boxcar loaded with everything needed to build the house. Pre-cut lumber, shingles, windows, doors, hardware, and even paint. Detailed instructions, often described as foolproof, guided the assembly process. Sears boasted that anyone with basic carpentry skills could assemble their kit home in approximately 90 days. The pre-cut and numbered components simplified the construction process significantly, making it a manageable project for many homeowners. For those who weren't comfortable tackling the construction themselves, Sears also offered assistance through a network of local contractors. Section 4. The Sears Legacy Homes Frozen in Time. Although Sears discontinued its Modern Homes program in 1942, the legacy of these remarkable homes lives on. Thousands of Sears Kit homes still stand across the United States, a testament to their quality and enduring appeal. These homes are more than just dwellings, they are tangible links to a bygone era, representing American ingenuity, craftsmanship, and the pursuit of the American dream. Elgin, Illinois is a town with a particularly high concentration of Sears homes. Local recession in the 1930s prevented major renovations and demolitions, leaving a remarkable collection of these homes largely untouched. Today, these homes are highly sought after by homeowners who appreciate their historical significance, architectural charm, and often their sturdy construction. Identifying a Sears Kit home can be an exciting treasure hunt for history buffs and architecture enthusiasts. Telltale signs include stamped lumber in the basement or attic, shipping labels on the back of millwork, and unique architectural details specific to certain Sears models. Section 5. Finding a piece of history. The enduring popularity of Sears Kit homes is evident in the numerous online resources and communities dedicated to their preservation and appreciation. Enthusiasts share tips on identifying these homes, restoring them to their former glory, and celebrating their unique place in American architectural history. Real estate listings often highlight a home's provenance as a Sears Kit home, recognizing the added value and cachet that comes with owning a piece of history. These homes are a reminder of a time when a company like Sears empowered ordinary Americans to become homeowners, offering them not just a house, but a piece of the American dream. The impact of Sears Kit homes extends far beyond their physical structures. They represent a pivotal moment in American history, showcasing the power of innovation, entrepreneurship, and the enduring human desire to create a place to call home. Next time you're strolling through a historic neighborhood, keep an eye out for the telltale signs of a Sears kit home. You might just be looking at a piece of American history.